Here is Moses reporting live from Komatport. We just caught one car from Komatport on its way to Mozambique. That car is loaded inside, and there's a car inside. There's a car inside, as you can see, guys. It's happening here. It's happening here in Komatport. It's happening here in Komatport. It's happening here in Komatport. Hot property. Hot property. Guys, as you can see, it's hot property. It's happening here. Live in Komatport. Live in Komatport. Yeah? Sure. Yeah? Live in Komatport. It's happening. Yeah? Live in Komatport. Live in Komatport. Live in Komatport.
Now we're going to put it on the road, we're not allowed to shoot.